This 2021 Keystone Cougar 22 MLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 26 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, oven, leveling jacks, awning, external shower, slide-out, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, rear bath, rear dinette, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Cougar 22 MLS is 5,750 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.